Hello. In this video, we're going to go over how to solve a ACT math problem that involves a chart, table, and or graph. And in this situation here, we have a table. And what we're going to approach this with is an idea similar to reading comprehension, which is trying to take in only the essential information. So I'm going to start with the question, 42. Kaylee found a used car she's thinking about purchasing. The list price is $87.95. She calculates that she will need to borrow $6,500. Approximately what would her monthly payment be if she borrowed the money for 36 months at an annual interest rate of 10%? Now, I also want to highlight that this is 42, but this chart is needed for three questions, 42, 43, and 44. So what that means is that we don't want to mess up this table here too much. We want to make sure that we only mark what's needed, and I'm going to approach it the same way as if I were to answer that on this screen, even though that's going to be left for other lessons. So I see here that we're at 36 months, 10%. Okay, well, let's see what's going on here. Let me see if this table alone can answer my question. And if need be, I will read this paragraph, but I don't want to waste my time if I don't have to. So I'm going to go just into this table and see what's up. Monthly payment for 1,000 borrowed for various annual rates and various numbers of payments. Okay, number of monthly payments that's being described here, and I saw 36. And then it's telling me it's at 10%, which is here. So I do have all the information here. I don't really need to read all this. And if you were to go on and read that, you would see it's actually just repeating what we already kind of can figure out from this table. So I see we're at 36 months, 10%. If I play Battleship here, I realize that, bam, I'm at 32.27. But 32.27 is what you're paying every month for 36 months if she were to borrow $1,000. But she's not borrowing $1,000. She's borrowing 6,500. So what we need to know is at 32.27, that's what her monthly charge would be at 1,000. But since she's borrowing 6.5 times as much, we want to multiply it by that much, 6.5, to represent the 6,500 compared to the 1,000. You'll see that I have 32.27 times 6.5, and you end up with 209.755, which rounds up to 209.76, which is H. Here's a situation where to eliminate some of the wrong answers would be a little bit more difficult. Best of luck.